Bom dia everybody, welcome back for an all-new safari adventure vlog. I'm Jeff, a safari travel advisor and eco-travel content creator, and in today's video I'm taking you along for an epic day exploring the Pantanal here in southwest Brazil. I've been very curious to come here for quite some time, and I'm so glad we finally made it. We have been here for a couple days now, and the adventure has been magical so far. Yesterday we drove in from the South Wild Pantanal Lodge, then we arrived in the small fishing village of Porto Jofre. From there we hopped a riverboat and cruised for about 20 minutes before arriving at this main boat where we're going to be spending a total of 3 nights. I am on the rooftop deck right now. Look at this. It is spectacular. And lucky for us, we were the only guests checked in last night, so we had the whole ship to ourselves. So while we eat our meals and sleep on this boat, as you can see behind me, we take these smaller ones that are towed at the back out for the wildlife excursions. These boats allow us to navigate tighter waterways and get a bit closer to the shoreline. Yesterday we had such an amazing first boat safari. We saw 2 jaguars. One of them we had a full facial view of. So anyway, I'm so excited to have you along for today's adventure. Let me show you what a day here in the Pantanal is like. And don't forget, I'm a safari travel advisor, so if you're interested in going on any of the experiences I'm showcasing in this video, please reach out to me. I would love to arrange it for you. All right, let's go see if we can find some wildlife. You ready? Let's do it. This is the Capybara River, which was my view when I woke up this morning. Do you see any jaguars yet? We're keeping this vlog real. I have total bedhead right now. Safari hair don't care. All right, before we kick off today's adventure, I want to show you this amazing piece of gear I have with me for this trip from Swarovski Optik. These are the AX Visios, and these are smart binoculars. Believe it or not, you can actually look through these and it'll tell you what you're looking at. So before I even turn the battery on, at its core, these are just beautiful binoculars with premium glass. They are 10 by 32s, which means I can magnify images 10 times closer than you can see with the naked eye. And the objective lens here is 32 millimeters in diameter. Now, if you notice, there's also a lens right here. This is actually a camera. I'm not going to turn it on just yet, but if I hold down this power button, it will turn on the binoculars and allow me to use all of these amazing features that you can see here. One of the main features is the bird ID. So if I toggle it to the bird setting here and then put it up to my eyes, I'll notice that there's a ring in the viewfinder. You're going to center that ring on whatever bird you're looking at, and then you hold down this button. It'll tell you which bird species you're looking at. This has been such a fun tool to have because the Pantanal and South America as a whole is new territory for me. I've never been here before. While I have some familiarity with the birds, I don't know all 500 plus of them. So by using the bird ID, I've been able to learn about all the species we're seeing. And of course, a really cool feature is that I can switch it to camera mode, like that. And you can take video and photo of what it is you're looking at through the binoculars. Trust me, there's a lot more you can do with these binos. I just want to give you a heads up because I want you to try them in this vlog. It's been a very fun way to elevate my wildlife viewing experience, and I just want you to try them today. So I might put them up to your eyes and let me know what you see. All right, this is Fernando, our guide for the day.
So,
And we've been using the AX Visios the past few days. What do you think of them?
that's incredible, unbelievable. You can identify any bird. I could imagine that we had such technology.
Well, let's use them today.
Yeah, of course.
What-
I will.
What birds do you want to see today through those?
I want to see if this binocular can work with the little ones.
Mm-hmm. Like the tiny
little
birds.
ones, yeah.
Like a rufous-tailed jaguar.
Yeah, the jackman.
Good morning, Jamie. How are you? We're having our morning cheese bread. Choose your optic gear.
I want a camera again.
All I want to see are jaguar cubs, mating jaguars, male jaguars, a jaguar in a tree, and a jaguar hunt.
Okay,
Can you-
to the end of our tour.
Can you deliver all those things before we get in it? Oh, they're a trio, just like us. We are looking at some giant otters right now. There's about 3 of them over here. Can you hear them squeaking? And then we're looking at another group on the other side of the river. World's largest otter. This is otter paradise. So I'm teaching Jamie how to use the camera, and this is a tough shot to get. They're moving lightning fast. They are just gliding through the water, and getting a good shot of them is going to be tough. But I'm counting on him to get the shot.
They're big.
That was a good video.
Me personally, I'd let Jeff do it.
What?
Hey Holly, do you want these CL Companion 8x30s?
Little baby binos, yes please.
Have a good look at these black skimmers. So when's the best time of year to go to the Pantanal? Well, right now it is June and the water levels are still quite high, but July, August, September is typically considered the best time to come here. That's because it's a lot drier, the water levels recede, and it creates these large open beaches, which makes it better for wildlife viewing. But the pro of coming now is there's a lot less boats out. What are we looking at, Holly?
It's a toucan.
Toko toucan. I'm sure Jamie's getting a really good toucan video so I can show you guys what we're looking at. Our audience wants to see. So Fernando, could you tell us, when does the Pantanal flood? When's the best time to come here for wildlife viewing?
Okay, the best time to come to the Pantanal is during the dry season that begins in July and goes until November. And from November on, it starts the rain.
So right now it's June, which is just the beginning of dry season. The water levels are still pretty high, right?
Yeah, that's because this year the Pantanal got too much water. Last year we have a bad draw, but this year, fortunately, you have too much water, so it's good for the wildlife.
Is this your lens cap?
No way.
I just found this. Points. Is this yours?
I haven't actually seen the jaguar yet, but I can like follow its path. I saw its ass. I see it climbing. Have you seen jaguars cross this whole river?
Yeah, all the time.
Seriously?
Yeah.
She has repositioned. We're expecting her to come out here any second. Can you believe we're just in Brazil looking at a wild jaguar right now?
Actually, so insane. It's all thanks to Jeff Fire.
Oh. This adventure wouldn't have been the same without you.
Look at all the tourist spots.
And I wouldn't have been the same without them.
They just know that.
How many of their shots were you in?
Oh my god, they were like, sit down. I was like, I'm sorry, I'm just seeing a jaguar.
I
It's
thought,
my dream.
I thought they were taking pictures of us.
And she's looking at us.
There's a jaguar looking right at us. Are you seeing anything? Do you want to give these a try? All right, that's a wrap on our morning excursion. What's next on the agenda?
We're gonna go up with this boat
Okay,
during our lunch.
okay.
Yeah.
And then we have the Capybara lecture.
Lecture?
From Bruno?
Oh yeah, from Bruno. Yeah, exactly.
So on board there is a naturalist who stays on the boat and gives us these presentations about the wildlife, and we're gonna enjoy our first one shortly. It's gonna be all about capybaras. All right, students, we're now in class. This is our professor.
Yeah, if you have a good behavior, we don't throw you to correct.
Okay. Yes, sir. Do you have your notebooks?
And that's the distribution of the capybara. They can smell, see the jaguar, and hear the jaguar at the same time.
Oh, that looks like a scary movie. Thank you. I learned so much about capybaras.
I like the humor.
Yeah. We're cruising now.
Well, you can see the horseshoe from here.
What do you see, Jamie?
Pantanal.
lunch. This is gonna be a scenic lunch. Obrigado.
What? Not here? Whoa.
A yellow anaconda?
Big yellow anaconda.
It's coming towards us. Is it gonna go on the boat?
Hello, my name is Jamie Schwartz, and I have been kidnapped by imposters. I thought I was with my cousin and friend Holly, but they're actually lizard people. And I have been baited away from my friend's family and home. If you see this message, save me. Goodbye. Wish me luck.
I'm now going to show you our room real quick. This is where all three of us are staying. It will be a bit messy. Here we are. We've got 3 single beds. Holly, Jamie, and my binoculars. Just kidding, that's where I sleep. Got a large TV, a desk space, a closet, a mini fridge.
That anaconda got me. Not the anaconda squeeze.
Who's gonna continue the vlogs without me? Jaguar alert. We just caught a glimpse of it walking through that thicket. Let's see if she shows herself again. Waiting patiently. Is it a male?
It's a
Female?
female.
Oh. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Here she comes. Yes. That's amazing. This is epic. Wow. I know they're short moments, but they are majestic moments. What are you thinking? Channel your David Attenborough. Describe the scene.
Describe the scene. In the shadows of the wetlands, in the Pantanal, a jaguar undercover on the riverbank.
We're now following some giant otters down the river. They're gonna pop their heads up any moment. The race continues. It's neck and neck. Ooh, they're synchronized. We've come across some boats. What are they looking at? Taper, 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 taper. We've got another jaguar situation. So the sun just went down, which means all the mosquitoes have come out. We're just getting annihilated.
I'm convinced our boat is parked on a mosquito hive.
We're very vulnerable right now. Look at this. And we're back. Whoa.
This is gonna get real interesting.
It will eventually end. Someone will lose.
I'm getting close.
All right, everyone. That's a wrap on today's epic day in the Pantanal. They're really mad at me for filming the vlog outro right before bed.
It's not that, it's a flash.
And the flash as well. But thanks you guys for being part of this adventure and allowing the audience to come along. Anyway, if you want to visit the Pantanal or enjoy any of the experiences we showcased in this video, reach out to me. I can arrange that trip for you. We still have one full day left here, so make sure to hit subscribe so you can follow along for all the adventures. We'll see you tomorrow. Hope you sleep well. Bye.